The question is, you know that 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar. Can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 3, 3 by 7, till 6 by 7 are without actually doing the long division? If so, how? Study the reminders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. So, these are based on the division of 1 by 7. So, I'll do it again. 1 divided by 7. So it won't go point. 7 ones are 7, 30. 7 into 4 is 28. We get remainder 2. 7 does not divide 2. We add 0. 7 into 2, 14. Okay. We get 6. 7 into 8, 56. 7 into 5, 35. And sorry, 7 into 7. 7 into 7 is 49. So we get 1. Now we know that if we going to start to repeat the division, we'll get these values only. That is why 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857, which was already discussed. Now, next question is 2 divided by 7. So if you're going to start 2 divided by 7, it will look something like this. 7 into 2 will be 14. 7 into 8. But we see that actually this is the same work we are doing, no? Except that it started with 20. So the repeating digits will be like 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4. Therefore, 2 by 7 is actually equal to point, since it starts from 2, 8, 2, 8, 5, 7. Now it will circle back, no? Because we started from 20. So 1, 4. Similarly, let's see for 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, so if we divide, like, this is the case actually. We are looking at this case. So 7 into 4 is 28. So we know that the first digit, it will start from 4 onwards. So 0.42857. Now if you want me to do again, I'll show you. 3 divided by 7. So 7 into 4, 28, 2, and then 7 into 2, 14. So it's the same division we are actually doing in this case. Same way for 4 by 7. So 40 starts from here until it goes like this, no? In this direction. Until, so it starts from 7 into 5, 35. So 0.57142 repeating, because it will keep on repeating. No, this is a recurring non-terminating value. 5 by 7, it will start from, so if I divided by 7 will be like, we'll add 0, 49. That means 7 into 7. So this is equal to 0.714285. 6 by 7 will be, so 6 starts from which one? 7 into 8. So 0.857142. So these are all the values, and we got these values from 1 by 7.